And we're back to learn in Premiere Pro.
And this time I'm going to show you how to deepen your voice.
We'll start right here with an audio file and a timeline. And then I go to Effects and find the pitch shifter. Just drag and drop it on your audio file. And now I can see right here in Effect Controls. If you can't find these menus, go to Window, there's Effect Controls and there's the Effects. Make sure to find a pitch shifter, and next to Custom Setup you can click on Edit. You've got a new window now. You can drag this slider or adjust it numerically right here. Between -2 and -5 should be a good value in most cases. And make sure you've got the position set to high. And you also want to check this box for use the appropriate default settings. Just close this menu and you're done.
This is how you can deepen your voice in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.